I just transformed my Lovable project into an iOS app. And after this video, you can do the exact same. And the best thing is we're going to do this with one prompt. And it will have all the functionality you need. Okay, so what we are going to do is you have your app like this, and this is a web app. So it works on your laptop, on your PC, and also if you have your phone, you can obviously look it up on the internet. But it's not an app. It's not native. You still need to go to your browser and look it up. And a lot of businesses and people just want something native. And that is exactly what we'll do in this video. So I want to do this for my community. So the solution to this is PWA, a progressive web app. And it's basically a website that can be installed on your phone. So you don't upload it to the App Store, but you just add it to your home screen. We don't need any approval. We have instant updates. We don't need to pay anything to Apple. And we still have push notifications. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video, because personally, I've been struggling to get push notifications right. So what we'll do is the following. We'll add full screen mode. So we are really going to make this feel native. So we have no browser bar. We have no zooming. We have a custom app icon. And content doesn't get cut off. Then the second phase is push notifications. So someone installs the app, we then ask for permission, and then we can send regular push notifications. And previously, when we wanted to have push notifications, you needed to go through the verification from Apple, and it took a lot of time. Like it took around 1 to 7 days. So this PWA setup is really important, because otherwise it will just feel like a website, but now with the correct setup, it can really feel like an app. So that is exactly what we'll do in this video. If you're enjoying this video thus far, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go on with the video. So I have this app, and this is something pretty complete. As you can see, it took me around 1600 messages to create this, and now within one prompt we'll change this to a PWA app. So how we'll do that is we'll go to the build loop prompt library, and right here we have the exact prompt that will make sure that everything that we just talked about will be implemented by just this one prompt. So we have a correct navigation bar, we have safe areas, and everything is just taken care of. We have push notifications, and I will link this down in the description. For now, we can just copy it. We can go to our app and we'll just paste it in. I will then make sure that it will do this for the correct pages. So this is for the auth page and the course/content. Those are the only ones that need PWA setup. And we can then just run it. Okay, perfect. So it is now asking for our VAPID public key and our private key, and it is very simple to get those. We can just go to vapidkeys.com, give our email address, we can generate them. Right here we have our public key and our private key, so we can copy those. We can go to Lovable, we can paste them, and we can submit it. And right now Lovable knows everything it needs to know to fix our PWA app. And as you can see right here, we can go to the mobile version, and we have this bottom navigation bar, but it's not really different than it used to be. So what we can do right now is I can get my phone right here. I have an iPhone, and right now I have my Safari open with the actual app. You can now also get it like a native app, which completely feels native, like a real app from the App Store. And we can have push notifications, and you sometimes need to fix a few bugs, but I currently got it working. So what I do is the following. I am on the page right now, and I can now click here. I can go to share, and right here I have put on home screen, and I can add it like an app. So I click on add, and right now I have the app right here, which looks completely like a regular app. I can click it, and right now I am in the app. And as you can see, the button navigation really feels like something native. It completely works like a normal app. So right here we can go to templates, for example, and we have everything right here. So this is really cool, but now the fun part. Because previously when we created an app like a PWA, you couldn't send push notifications. But this is now possible. So what I created right here is I have my profile, and I can now enable the push notifications. So I click here, I say allow, and right now we can also start sending push notifications to users. So to show you an example, I can now click on send test, and right here the push notification is sent. And this is super important because now it really feels like something native. So I think, for example, for back offices, this is something really cool because all the data you have, maybe some support messages that come in, you can all put it on your iPhone. Also, for example, when you have a demo app that you want to quickly test out with users, you can do it like this. It's like 2 minutes of work and you can already try it out on an iPhone. Thanks for watching my complete video. Make sure to like and subscribe. A lot of more content like this is in the pipeline.